immunity boost. I know I did. I know I do. Our bodies are working so hard for us each and every second of every day. So it's important to do things to meet our bodies halfway. And one easy way to help your body help you is to juice. I've been juicing for years, but I really ramped it up these past few months to boost my immunity and because it's delicious. And I have to admit, I feel the boost, not only energy-wise, but overall. I haven't felt tired or groggy during the day, and juicing has definitely been a mood booster for me, and each time I take a sip of this juice, I feel so fulfilled, knowing that I made all of this myself. So once you get past the decision to buy the juicer, if you don't already have one, and I'll link a link in my story, in my blog, and I'll find one on sale because I am all about a good sale. Then you're all set. I promise you won't regret it. And this immune boosting recipe is a delicious blend of carrots, apples, ginger, and I like to add a little turmeric and celery and cucumber to the mix. It's my favorite refreshing drink recipe. And it's just such an easy way to invest in your health. And so I hope you'll try it out with me. And let me know if there are any other juices that you like. This blend is sweet, not too sweet. It's like the perfect amount of sweet. And you can use it for your morning boost or midday boost. You can even replace your coffee with it. So I hope that you'll like it. The carrots in this juice are very, very sweet, figuratively and literally. They're a great source of vitamin A. They contain a magical antioxidant, glutathione. It's amazing, which protects against free radicals. And carrots also fuel the production of white blood cells. So they enhance their performance, and so they're great immune boosters in themselves. They also enhance your respiratory system and resistance against infection. Turmeric, oh, I love turmeric. The curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory effects, which boost liver function and encourages detoxification, which is never bad. And I personally love the taste of turmeric. I add turmeric powder to my rice and to my pastas. And ginger, my love. Oh, I love ginger shots. Oh, so good. They have the effects of lemon for inflammation, any digestive issues that you have, and it helps with your immunity function. Apples are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and celery. I love celery. Vitamin K also. I only add a few little sticks to this juice. I like to use the big stock for my solo celery juice. They're better alone, super powerful. Cucumbers, such a good rejuvenating tonic, alkalizing for the body, hydrating, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, and I also add a little bit of lemon juice, which is good in vitamin C. It's good for your immune system and digestion. So carrots, apples, ginger is what you really need for this mix, but I add those extra things in. But it's such an easy way to boost your immune system, to boost your mood overall, and it's quick and easy. I make a batch one time a week, which gives me about 3 or 4 of these, and I drink about 1 a day. If you have any recipes that you want to share with me, I'm open. Send them my way. I just wanted to share this with you as something to help you boost your healthy regimen. So I'm going to share the process right now.